E ala, e alu, e kuilima kako.
Greetings and salutations, Kaʻōhao, Malachi,
And Kenzo.
a big wave and shaka to all the young Avengers in the big wave drill last week.
Yes, oldie friend, our tsunami preparation drill reminded us that we each must prepare for the end game in life, whether by way of tsunami or an infinity war, or the end of our school year here at our happening campus.
Indeed, oldie friend, remember to appreciate each and every moment because they only happen once.
Speaking of appreciating, the news team extends its congratulations to our beloved Kumu Illinois for architecting yet another stunning May Day celebration last week.
Congratulations, young Avengers, for honoring your ohana with hula.
High five, all ye young Avengers, for peddling those success cycles through our happening Kansas annual nemesis, ESPA. The Math CAT assessments and the HSA assessments are all that remain.
Stay off the existential struggle bus, reminding to test, not to stress. In the endgame, young Avengers.
That reminds me of a joke Mr. Brad once told me at chess club.
Ooh, a Dad Brad joke? Do tell.
Okay, so a guy walks into a store to buy a chess set. He started by eating it, but it tasted horrible. He took it back to the shop and demanded to see the shopkeeper. He tells him, "Here, this is stale, mate." To which the shopkeeper replied, "No, it's not." The customer says, Yeah, it is. Check, mate."
It was a blunder of me to ask.
Young Avengers, keep the momentum in this infinity gauntlet of our final trimester.
Only 2 episodes remain into the endgame.
Oh no! E ala, e alu, e kuilima kako. E ala, e alu, e kuilima kako.
One more time, Malachi. Let me hear you sing it.
E ala, e alu, e kuilima kako.
It's the perfect time of year.
E ala, e alu, e kuilima kako.
E ala,
I feel fine enough, I guess.
E ala, e alu, e kuilima kako.
There's a restaurant down the street.
Greetings and salutations, Kaʻōhao, Malachi.
And Kenzo.
A big wave and shaka to all the young Avengers participating in the
everybody
It's
dance.
outside. It's like a dream you try to remember, but it's gone. Then you try to scream, but it only comes out as a yawn when you're trying to see the one beyond your front door.
and a big wave to all the
Try to figure out what all this is for.
a
It's
big
the
wave
perfect
and
time of day
I keep forgetting
Just start with greetings and salutations.
to throw all your cares away.
greetings and salutations,
Put the
Kaʻōhao,
sprinkler
Malachi.
And Kenzo.
A big wave,
And run through with my
I got
gym
this.
shorts
Wait,
on.
try to do it.
Take a drink right from the hose and change into some drier clothes. Climb the stairs up to my room. Sleep away the afternoon. It's like a dream you try to remember, but it's gone. Then you're trying to scream, but it only comes out as a yawn when you're